Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chewy gummy bears, easy method. Combine 2 tablespoons gelatin with 1 cup juice and warm gently while whisking until dissolved. Sweeten with 1 tablespoon honey or sugar and add a pinch of salt for balance. Brighten with a few drops lemon juice, pour into molds, chill until firm, then unmold and enjoy these chewy, homemade gummy bears. Control chewiness by adjusting gelatin and syrup ratios. Start with 2 tablespoons gelatin and 1 tablespoon corn syrup per cup juice. Gently heat, never boil, to protect gelatin strength and preserve clarity. Strain the mixture to remove bubbles or pulp for smooth bears. Pour into molds on a flat surface and refrigerate until firm for consistent texture and easy removal from molds. Quick recommendation before we continue. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and more recipes. On another note, I love the practical mindset in the book The Simple Path to Wealth, and it made me rethink money and time, which pairs nicely with simple cooking habits. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Experiment with flavors by using different juices like apple, grape, or tart cherry for distinct tastes. Add natural extracts or a tiny pinch of citric acid for brightness and flavor lift. Use gel food coloring sparingly for vibrant colors, or layer thin sets for amber bears. Store gummy bears in an airtight container with a small packet of rice to keep them chewy and fresh for several weeks.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.